today's video, I'm going to talk to you about do you have any people hiding from you or ghosting you? This is for you, all you salespeople. I bet you do. So I've been posting a couple of days ago about everyone has the right to slow down and take time to think about what they're, take time and think. And how does that apply to the sales process? Because most sales trainers say, don't let people think it over. But if you really believe that you have that right in your personal relationship, then you got to be able to be, you got to be congruent with those people. If you have that right, so does the prospect. But that'll get you in trouble if you're not really careful, because most of the time, not most of the time, but a lot of times, I need to think about it is just an avoidance of a person not having the strength and assertiveness to be able to tell you no. Well, let me give you some examples. I used to canvass neighborhoods for leads, and I would set appointments. And I never ever allowed anybody to tell me to think it over. They could, but I never received it, because here's why. 100% of the time, it was not real. It was an avoidance to telling me no. So when somebody told me they needed to mull it over, I would not allow that, and I'd not receive that, and I would try to get them to say no. So the rule is, if you're in a sales situation and the customer wants to take time and think, you got to really drill down and see, is that an avoidance to telling you no? And the way that you find that out is you open up space for them to say no. And if they go to no, that's a good thing, because that's what they need to do. But in another video, I'll tell you how to handle no. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and God bless.